Did you know how vital attic blown-in insulation is for your home? It plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable temperature indoors, and it's a real energy saver too. Stay tuned to learn the top 10 things you need to know about attic blown-in insulation. Now let's dive into the top 10 things about attic blown-in insulation. First up, energy efficiency. Blown-in insulation is a champion in this department, reducing your energy consumption by keeping your home's temperature steady, effectively lowering your utility bills. Secondly, it provides a seamless barrier. The small pieces of insulation material fill in all the nooks and crannies in your attic, leaving no room for heat or cold to sneak through. Thirdly, it's environmentally friendly. Many blown-in insulation products are made of recycled materials, so you're helping the planet while insulating your home. Fourth, it's time efficient to install. A professional can have your entire attic insulated in just a few hours. A speedy solution indeed. Moving on to the fifth point, cost effectiveness. Despite the upfront costs, the long-term savings on your energy bills make blown-in insulation a smart investment. Next, versatility. Whether your attic is large, small, full of obstructions, or oddly shaped, blown-in insulation can adapt to any space. Seventh, it's a soundproofing hero. It absorbs sound, reducing noise transfer between rooms and giving you a quieter living environment. Eighth, it's fire-resistant. Certain types of blown-in insulation can slow the spread of fire, providing an extra layer of safety for your home. Ninth, it has a long lifespan. With proper installation and maintenance, blown-in insulation can last for decades. Finally, maintenance. It's generally low maintenance, but periodic checks are advised to ensure it's performing at its best. These were the top 10 things to know about attic blown-in insulation. Let's quickly recap the main points. Attic blown-in insulation is cost-effective, easy to install, eco-friendly, and provides excellent thermal resistance. It also helps in noise reduction, fits into tiny spaces, is fire-resistant, prevents condensation, and is ideal for older homes. Remember, attic blown-in insulation is a significant investment that can yield substantial returns in energy savings and comfort. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up? Go on, click that subscribe button and pass this info along to your buddies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to home maintenance.